Y'all. Hey, Diamond Painting Cajun here. I'm gonna do a couple unbaggings for y'all, but to be honest, they already out of the bags, the paintings, the diamond paintings, because I had taken them out before I started this channel. So, I just want y'all to see them. They're really, really cute, and I'm gonna start. The first one is Piggy in a Tub. The number is V2201. I got these all from GBFKE, and this one is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It has 20 colors, and it's round drills. The stick is good. Stick is good on it. Usually the stick is normally good on these. This one, it's a little pig in a tub with a duck and some bubbles, flowers, some knickknacks on the shelves, and this looks like a border around it. It's really, really cute. Like I said, this is a 30 by 40 centimeter, and it is round drills. I'm gonna show y'all the drill field is clear. This is the drill field. It's pretty clear. I love it. Look at that cute little piggy. He's so cute. He's in the bathtub. I love it. Like I said, it's from GBFKE, and it is round drill, and these are the drills for it. I'm not going to take them out, but they have pink, dark pinks and light pinks, some green, like a hunter green, lime green, mint green, not lime green, mint green, and like a aqua green, light blues, beige. I'm sorry about the crinkle, y'all. That's why I don't like to take them out the packages. Yeah, so this is, like I said, V2201 is the number, and this is the thumbnail for it. I am at my craft table, as you all may know. My grandchildren, they paint and they do all kind of stuff, so all of their things, I display it on the wall all over the place. So if you see random stuff, that's why. I just let my grandchildren do as they please with painting. I'm going to get the next painting. This one is also a 30 by 40, and it is also round drill, and it is called Christmas Gnome, and the number on that one's V2423. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter. The schematics are on the top left, bottom right. They have 22 colors, and the stick is pretty good. Stick is good. Pretty way y'all can see it. Oof. And it is a round full drill. See the little candy canes, the lantern, the bird, the snowflakes, the gnome, the poinsettias, pine cones. He's really cute as well. Yep, and like I said, they have 22 colors. It is a round, full round drill. And I'm going to show y'all the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. I hope it's focusing. The schematics are all on both sides, left top, bottom right. And the drill field is clear, as you can see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they have like a church in the background and like some houses and stuff. It's really cute. Snowflakes. I like it. And this one, let's see, the Christmas gnome I paid $3.78 for, and the piggy in a tub I paid $5.40 for. So all of these from GBFKE come with a toolkit, a simple toolkit, and I put those away, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what they look like. Let me show y'all the drills for this one right here. The drills for these are right here. These are round drills. They're red, like an army green, like a aqua dark blue, light aqua, some peaches, some light peaches. I guess that would be orange, light peach, light blue, beige, like a rustic color right here. Some darker pinks, browns. I don't want to take them out the bag because y'all, they're so loud. It makes so much noise. I don't want to blow y'all eardrums out. They do have like some white or a very light gray. No, it's white. Well, both. They probably have white and light gray. Let me look at this schematic. Oh, it's white. I believe the J is white. Yeah, it's white. These F's kind of whitish gray. They have both, I believe, in there. But yeah, this is the drills for them. And then the next one is a this one's a crystal. It's all crystal, full drill. It's a 30 by 30 centimeter, and it's a butterfly, 30 by 30 butterfly, full drill, 11 colors, and it's all crystal drills. The stick on it is good. The stick on this one is good as well. I'm going to show you guys the thumbnail, and then we'll get to the drills. That's the thumbnail. Sorry, I don't want to see me. And this is the you can see the drill field is clear. And then these are the drills. They're really shiny, really pretty. They have dark blue, like a sapphire blue. They have some pinks. They have big ones, small ones. They have yellow ones. Or gold, clear, pink, purples, and then the bigger ones here. They have big ones as well. They're really sparkly. These are all the drills for this painting. The butterfly crystals, this one was $5.80 something, $5.82. That's what I paid for it, and it's a 30 by 30. And we're gonna go to the next one. This one is a 30 by 40, and it is a square, full square drill painting. It is FF536, in case y'all wondering. And it's Flower Girl, it's Flower Crazy is what it's called. It's a full square drill, and I paid $5.82 for it. And I mean, I'm not too crazy about it, because to me it looks pixelated, and that's just me, that's just my opinion. It has 22 colors, and the stick is good on it. I don't know, I'm not too fond of this one. Only because it just looks like it's pixelated. Like this should be all flowers, and maybe you can tell on the camera, but from here I can't tell. Like this is the only one I can tell that's a flower, and this one probably somewhat, this one a little bit. These also have the DMC colors on the side, and the schematics left top, bottom right, the schematics. and they do have the DMC numbers, like I said. These are square drills. Good Lord, I can't talk. These are square drills. There's all like dark blue, aqua kind of color. Light aqua, lighter green, lighter, darker green, pinks, peaches, dark, like a royal blue, or just a regular, like, yeah, like a royal blue kind of. Yellows, oranges, rustic colors. Yeah, these are the drills for those. And like I said, they are square drills. So I'm interested to see how this is going to turn out. I mean, I'm hoping that it turns out better, but like the colors, I don't know, they don't, I guess after these colors are on, because these definitely don't match these, but I guess maybe after the colors are on, I don't know. We shall see, I guess. I'm going to work it up, and after it's worked up, I'll put it on my channel. But I'm going to show y'all it up close, if y'all could see, and the thumbnail. I don't know, to me it looks pixelated, but that's just me. That's just how I look at it. That's my opinion. Like I said, y'all may have a different opinion, and that's fine. But that's my opinion. That's what I think. I mean, I'll see after it's done, but you know. And that should wrap it up for this video. Please like and subscribe to my video, to my channel. And I would really, really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. I am a new YouTuber. I'm new at a YouTuber at diamond painting videos. So y'all, I should get better. I'm trying. That's why I'm doing so many. So y'all just have to hang in there, and I know I'll get better. Thank y'all for watching. And don't forget, please like and subscribe. Thank you.